Hello and welcome to my channel. Microsoft on Tuesday shipped fixes to address a total of 90 security flaws, including 10 0 days, of which 6 have come under active exploitation in the wild. If you're new to this channel, I'm Bill Osolinski, a certified information system security professional with 30 years of experience. Of the 90 bugs, 9 are rated critical, 80 are rated important, and 1 is rated moderate in severity. This is also in addition to 36 vulnerabilities that the tech giant resolved in its Edge browser since last month. The Patch Tuesday updates are notable for addressing 6 actively exploited 0 days. CVE-2024-38189 with a CVSS score of 8.8, Microsoft Project Remote Code Execution Vulnerability, CVE-2024-38178 with a CVSS score of 7.5, Windows Scripting Engine Memory Corruption Vulnerability, CVE 2024-38193 with a CVSS score of 7.8, Windows Ancillary Function Driver for WinSock Elevation of Privilege Vulnerability, CVE-2024-38106 with a CVSS score of 7.0, Windows Kernel Elevation of Privilege Vulnerability, CVE-2024-38107 with a CVSS score of 7.8, Windows Power Dependency Coordinator Elevation of Privilege Vulnerability, and CVE-2024-38213 with a CVSS score of 6.5, Windows Mark of the Web Security Feature Bypass Vulnerability. The development has prompted the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, otherwise known as CISSP, to add the flaws to its known exploited vulnerabilities catalog, which obligates federal agencies to apply the fixes by September 3, 2024. 4 of the CVEs are listed as publicly known. They are CVE-2024-38200 with a CVSS score of 7.5, Microsoft Office Spoofing Vulnerability, CVE-2024-38199 with a CVSS score of 9.8, Windows Line Printer Daemon Service Remote Code Execution Vulnerability, CVE-2024-21302 with a CVSS score of 6.7, Windows Secure Kernel Mode Elevation of Privilege Vulnerability, and CVE-2024-38202 with a CVSS score of 7.3, Windows Update Stack Elevation of Privilege Vulnerability. Microsoft has yet to release updates for CVE-2024-38202 and CVE-2024-21302, which could be abused to stage downgrade attacks against Windows Update architecture and replace current versions of the operating system files with older versions. That's all for this presentation. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.